Right, in this video, we're going to cover power chords. Now, power chords, as you know, tend to be used on the guitar. But you can still do power chords on the piano, keyboard, whatever. Okay, so we'll have a look at the A chord for start off. So we know A, to do A major, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So that's giving us an A major chord. And it's made with this third here. So if you listen to the difference between this, if I take this one off, that is a power chord. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth. Now listen to a major. Now listen to a minor, and listen to this power chord. Major, minor, power chord. Okay, a power chord is a neutral chord. And why is that? Because when we add that third there, this dictates the tonality of a chord, whether it's major, happy, sad, with a minor. But if we remove that third, it's just a neutral chord. It's neither major nor minor. And so it lends itself, if you make mistakes on the guitar, or even the piano keyboard. But it's popular with rock guitarists. And again, it's just a good thing to show on a piano by removing that. Remove that third. So again, if we do a B chord, for example, remember the chord for a major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So you got B major, B minor, and power chord. Okay, and let's do C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then let's do minor, power chord. Let's do D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. D major, D minor, D power chord. E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Beg your pardon. 1, 2, 3. It's hard to do this with my fingers. E major, E minor, and then take that finger out. E power chord. F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. F minor. And then just remove that middle third. And the last we'll just do a G here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's remove this middle one. Power chord. So there you go. That's how to make the power chords. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. Please look out for my next video. I'm making a series of videos that I've done previous to this one in a playlist. So have a look for the playlist link. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Catch you later for the next video, which will be octave chords.